GameStop has broken $28 a share with net premiums overwhelmingly bullish and the highest it has been in 14 days. Top GameStop contracts traded by premium so far this morning with $30 calls for Friday leading the way. 56% ask side for $30 calls expiring July 19th and July 26th. We're seeing a lot of red across the board, but we're seeing a lot of green in the sections that we actually care about. So let's start the video off with GameStop. GameStop currently up 0.14% on the day, was up much more. You saw last night it was up over 4% in after hours, and we have gotten some of those gains eaten away. Zooming out, looking at the weekly chart, you couldn't ask for a better setup on GameStop. Look how beautiful this setup has been building, curling to the upside. The one thing that you would like to see on this curl to the upside is increased volume on every single candle. As of right now, if GameStop gets a full week open and close above $29, you're likely to see a push anywhere between 40 and 65 bucks, which is going to bring us into the 3-hour chart on GameStop. We have been getting this slow build right here with this pattern that you see here in yellow that we have been tracking, and I'm going to make it very, very simple for you. In this point, GameStop should break above this macro descending trend line. Okay, not the very top one, at least initially, but at minimum, we are essentially expecting it to break above this. Where would that take us? That would take us above $44 a share. GameStop is nowhere even close to that. In my opinion, it's fighting its very first resistance level on this run, and it's going to have more levels to come. This one, we should see a break over. Why are we not seeing a break over yet? Well, first, we need an increase in volume, but also if we look at the potential gamma at each level for GameStop, you can see the blue bars for the adjusted open interest on GameStop, the share price in which where it's trading at right now, the red line, and the optimal gamma ramp level. You're seeing a climax right here, right around $30, right? If we break over $30, you're seeing weaker gamma potential after you break that level. So we have gotten to the strength level, and now we need to see more calls purchased on these closer weeklies because this week is almost over. I assume Roaring Kitty is going to come out and say something pretty soon. It's already Wednesday, so by the end of this week, maybe unlikely, but momentum going into next week, probably Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, right? When overnight trading opens, you could see a tweet or something from Roaring Kitty. Also, take a look at the open interest right around $30 at 126,364 contracts. Guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to like the video and be subscribed to the channel if you're not already. We're very close to 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support. AMC trading at 537, down 1.83% on the day. Actually broke below a support level at 542 that we have been holding, but it's really not that serious. We want to see AMC hold above $5.15, but like I said, 8 trading days or less than that, you're going to see a parabolic move in my opinion on AMC, and whatever happens till then, it doesn't really matter. I see this as a dip buy opportunity. AMC sitting right around 50 cents, right? Pre-split. Also, they found over 6 million shares out of nowhere available to borrow on AMC. So they have more firepower and they're likely going to use it right now. Speaking of short sellers, before we talk a little bit more about them and Trump, I want to talk about Cassava Sciences dropping 30%, absolutely smashing my calls out of the water. I don't know why companies love to kill runs. I really don't. Adam Aaron has done it plenty of times. Other CEOs have done it plenty of times. And now they're doing it with Cassava Sciences. It's just their timing. It's like, what the fuck are you doing? Seriously, what are you doing? Anyway, Cassava Sciences potential rebound levels, you could see a scale up around August 9th back to around $12.50 or $12, come back down, retest the low around $8.50, and then come all the way in the end of this cycle right into election time, right back up to around $24. So that is what I'm watching with Cassava. You could see strength after August, so the start of September leading into the election. But as of right now, calls don't look like they're going to hold a lot of strength here. Now, Trump, what is he doing? Trump says he'd consider Jamie Dimon to serve as Treasury Secretary. I really hope he changes his mind on this. He also said the Fed should abstain from cutting rates before November election, and we assume that the rate cut could have potentially been in September. That may or may not have influence on Powell. Who knows? Also, seems as if Wall Street knew or assumed Trump was going to die. DJT shorts skyrocketed before the hit. Now, could this have just been because there was a rally coming up? I'm not really sure, but shorts went from 7 million to 15 million from July 1st to July 12th. They could have thought Trump would be dead. We all saw the BlackRock commercial, or if you haven't, go look it up. BlackRock commercial correlation to Trump's assassination attempt. And the majority owners of BlackRock also own and control the CIA. Make sure to go fact check that for me. I'm not sure. Drop your conspiracies in the comments down below. Jumping into the overall market, 557.77 took a hit, down 1.26% on the day. We knew that hanging out in this channel right here was not sustainable for the market. Now we're coming back down. We could potentially hold these levels. Watch for a hold at 556.50. And if we don't hold that, coming down to the first leg of the parallel channel at 553.65. Touching on the overall market and Trump, last sprinkle on top, U.S. government has obtained intelligence on an Iranian plot to kill former President Donald Trump. Also, this could have just been planted. They can plant anything as of right now and just say this is what they found. Just like they're doing where the killer was. They found something where he was. They're finding this, right? They can plant anything now. Nvidia getting a major breakdown, down 6.27%, trading at 118.42. This is a level that we have drawn out for Nvidia to hold. If Nvidia closes under 118, this is looking extremely bearish. I'm watching for a move down to 111. Tesla 248.04 also took a hit, down 3.3% here. Earnings is very soon. As long as Tesla is above 246, I'm liking it. And we are not seeing too high of volume on this push lower. Good thing to see for Tesla. Speaking of Tesla, Elon Musk to move SpaceX headquarters from California to Texas. Now the market is dumping, but IWM Russell 2000 is not. It is slightly red on the day, but we have been getting these gaps higher. These small cap plays, these meme plays, these short squeeze plays, this is their time to shine in my opinion. We are in that sort of environment, and we're just getting started. Overall, we want to see IWM realistically close above 225. If that doesn't, we're just going to watch it and see what it wants to do here. If we get rejected, can't close above 225 at all for the week. We want to make sure that the week after we can hold above 215, regain volume and momentum and strength, and then push back above 225. Lastly, Microsoft sacks entire DEI department. Jumping into crypto really quick, I want to give a quick warning on Ethereum. Ethereum broke back into what was once hopefully going to hold up as a demand zone, now becoming a supply zone. Ethereum could not break above. This is looking bearish. If Ethereum breaks back under 3,300, be careful with this. Speaking of Ethereum, SEC has given preliminary approval to at least 3 Ethereum ETF issuers to start trading next Tuesday, according to Reuters. And lastly, Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke back above this channel, above 63,000. Beautiful thing to see. Now trading at 64,000. The correction could very well be over on Bitcoin. We will continue to watch. Overall, guys, look how close we are to 30,000 subscribers, and I bet there's 1,400 of you watching this video who aren't subscribed, and we can get there in one video. Come join the Discord and talk with me when this video is done. Talk with the most amazing people, stocks as well as crypto, all day long. Post our gains, post our losses. We also have options trading alerts in there as well as stock trading alerts. Cheapest Discord, it's a coffee a month. Come level up your trading journey. It's the 3rd link under the video. Don't sleep on it, guys. And if you want something that could potentially pay for your Discord membership, it's a cheap one. Use the 2nd link, open a Moomoo account for a free broker, and make a deposit into your account for them to recognize it. They're going to give you up to 15 free stocks after that, let you earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash, give you level 2 order book data for free so you can see where whales are loading up and dropping off shares, access the trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more. Again, using my link, open an account and make a deposit. Most importantly, add my custom indicator to your trading view chart so you can level up your trading journey, pattern detection, and forecasting. That is it, guys. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.